day 10. Day 10. We are almost there. Bradley, you excited that we almost there? Yeah, we at the 10th day of the challenge. We only got 4 more days after this day. Aren't you excited? Oh yeah, y'all can see he's excited. He's excited. Day 10, y'all. We are almost there, guys. Thank you for sticking it out, each and every one of you. I'm glad that you're enjoying it. I'm getting good feedback from you all. And please, guys, continue to give me some feedback. Just email me. Let me know what it is that you want to see more of, what you would like. And I'll definitely take each and everyone's feedbacks into consideration. All right. So continue to work hard and let's have a spirit of excellence. Okay, continue to have a spirit of excellence in all that you do. Have a spirit of excellence in your walk. Have a spirit of excellence. Your talk. Have a spirit of excellence, and even in your performance, have a spirit of excellence. Okay, do not let your standards be low. Keep your standards high. Okay, so even with your work performance, have a spirit of excellence. Let your standards be high. Make sure you get that work turned in on time. Okay, even when you're exercising, make sure you're doing every rep the way it's supposed to be done. Do not cheat. Do not half rep nothing. Make sure everything is done in excellence, because that's what separates the best, the greats, from average. That's what separates a pro from almost a pro. Okay, so have a spirit of excellence and continue to work hard, guys, and trust me, it's going to pay off. You're going to do well. You're going to succeed in your fitness journey, your work life, your family life. Okay, just have a spirit of excellence and let's continue to be great. All right, this is the 10th day. Make sure you crush your workout. Don't forget to hashtag Gabe's Good News and message me or at me, mention me, excuse me, in the pictures, the videos. All right, love y'all.